Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here let's choose home screen and wallpaper. From options, let's tap on wallpaper, and here we've got all defaultly installed wallpapers. What's more, we can tap on our gallery and we can choose something from our own photos. Let me pick, for example, something colorful, maybe this one. And here we can either blur our image, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the switcher to adjust the intensity of that feature. Let me turn it off, and here we can tap on this option in order to make the wallpaper smaller, and after applying we will be able to scroll it. But let me turn it off, and let's click on this tick icon if you're ready. Now we can decide where we want to apply our wallpaper. We can set it on our lock screen, home screen, or both. So let me pick both, and let's wait a second. Okay, we just got back to the gallery. Now let me go back to our home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed immediately. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.